gutter maintenance. We need to talk about it. So in the house behind me has got gutter guards. So when you may have selected gutter guards when you built with Red Tree Builders. Great idea. I love gutter guards. Here's a couple things I need you to think about though. Is as you can see perfectly back here, it's in the fall time of the year. The leaves are falling. What gutter guards does. Here's the basic principle. It keeps those gutters, the drain lines and all the underground piping we put in here to get water away, keeps those clear. That's fantastic because you don't want those clogged. You don't want me back over here digging up your yard. But gutter guards still need to be cleaned out. Definitely if you live around pine needles, because those will get down in there. But as you can see, the collection of leaves happen here. We're in the beginning stages of fall. Still think about it. I still probably need to get my gutters cleaned out, just the leaves off the gutter guards. Definitely in some valleys that we have like right here behind me. Of course, I picked a great house to show you. But then your house may have those. And then in the springtime, probably another good time to do that too, because we get a lot of heavy rain at that time of the year. You just went through maybe a snow period. It's a good time to get those checked out. What it does do is also make sure that everything's cleaned out, and if there's any maintenance we need to do on the gutter guards itself, we can do that. If you selected not to do gutter guards at all, well, I'd either A, recommend you maybe put some gutter guards on there, see how everything's went, or B, make sure you're getting your gutters cleaned out with the leaves, because we don't want them in your downspouts and clogging that up, because that can be a whole nother ball of wax. So, leaves, they're a thing here in Asheville. We love our trees, and we love them changing like they are now. But let's make sure we're maintaining them, keeping them out of our gutters so we can get water away from your house.